Then kind of came a case here that really kind of kicked things over, and that was the Allison case. Now, the Allison case, essentially, factually, it was a man who had fractured his ankle while he was walking on snow. This time it was a couple of inches of snow. Now, we've all been told, clear your sidewalks, get all of that stuff off of your sidewalk. We've always been told that. But in this case, they said, well, hold on, okay. This guy was walking in 1 or 2 inches of snow that accumulated on a parking lot. All right. So the question went up to the Supreme Court. And the questions that they were looking at was this: whether parking lots in a leased residential area constitute a common area. You know, where you park your car. Is this a common area? Like a hallway in an apartment complex, a stairwell in an apartment complex. Is a parking lot a common area? All right. 2, whether the natural accumulation of ice and snow is subject to the landlord's duty, or the lessor's duty, the person who owns the property, to keep the premises and the common areas fit for the intended use by the parties. Now, that's a big statement, by the way, and I'll get to it in a second. Fit for the intended use by the parties. And then 3, whether the natural accumulation of ice and snow is subject to the lessor's duty to keep the premises in reasonable repair. Now, there's a little heads up. What they decided was, you got to take care of your property. And we understand that we own the parking lot. And we understand that you might park your car out there, but the landlord doesn't have to fix the potholes. You can fly to your car somehow, apparently, is what they're saying. Get into your car, because if your car's parked in the parking lot, you know, it apparently got in there somehow. Is the parking lot fit for its intended use? Well, it looks like it, because you got your car in there. Now, if you go out there and slip and fall in it, however, this case says you just might be out. And I'll explain why. What happens here is that you have, and it's in your package, you have a lease or license of residential premises. It's section 554.139. This is specifically dealing with landlords and those people